Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about ClickGuard for Honey Farm. ClickGuard effectively safeguards and maximizes your Google Ads ROI so you can focus on the quality and success of your business without having to deal with abusive, disruptive, fraudulent, and wasteful clicks. ClickGuard's PPC protection can help you. The care of bee colonies is known as honeybee farming, also known as apiculture or beekeeping. In layman's terms, bee farming is defined as the process of maintaining bee colonies or hives for the production of honey or other commercial products. ClickGuard's unique approach and highly customizable technology creates a multitude of benefits for Google Ads clients. Stop click fraud. Eliminate fraud and all wasteful clicks from your Google Ads. Get better leads. Target leads that are more likely to convert with real-time optimization. Boost conversions. Get your ads in front of the right people who are likely to convert. Improve profitability. Maximize campaign ROI with intent optimization rules. Once connected to your Google Ads accounts, our automated fraud and waste monitoring system immediately starts eliminating waste and boosting your campaigns for optimal ROI. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about ClickGuard and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.